Dependent event, example number 3. A janitor with a bunch of 9 keys is to open a door, but only 1 key can open. What is the probability that he will succeed in 3 trials without returning the keys drawn? So ang problem natin ay dependent event kasi sinabi na ang susi na mabubunot ay hindi ibabalik. So meron tayong 9 na susi. At isa lang daw dyan yung correct key. So meron tayong 8 wrong keys at isang correct key. So dalawang solutions tayo para sa problem na ito. So solution 1, isipin natin yung mga events. So kapag tayo ay bumunot ng 3 susi, ito yung mga pwedeng mangyari. So pwedeng ang mga bunot ay 3 wrong key and walang correct key. At pwede rin namang mabunot ay 2 wrong and isang correct key. Para sa unang event, 3 wrong key. So ang mangyayari, una is wrong, pangalawa is wrong, and pangatlo is wrong. So probability na sa unang bunot ay wrong is 8 wrong over 9 keys. Then para sa pangalawang wrong naman, since nabawasan na ng isang wrong, so para sa pangalawang bunot, ang available wrong ay 7 na lang and available keys 8 na lang. And then para sa pangatlong bunot, another wrong. So nakabunot na tayo ng 2 wrong. So ang natitira ay 6 na lang. And then ang keys naman ay 7 na lang. So probability of obtaining 3 wrong keys is 336 over 504. So yan yung original form. Then in simplest form, 2/3. So para naman sa event na 2 wrong and isang correct, so ito yung mga possibilities. So pwedeng una ay wrong, then pangalawa ay wrong, and then pangatlo ay correct. Pwede rin naman na una is wrong, pangalawa is correct, and last is wrong. And pwede rin naman correct sa una, then wrong sa pangalawa at sa pangatlo. So para sa wrong, wrong, correct, so wrong is 8 over 9. And then another wrong, 7 over 8. And then para sa correct key, nag-iisa lang naman siya, then divide by 7 keys. So sagot is 56 over 504. So para naman sa pangyayaring ito, wrong, correct, then wrong. So wrong is 8 over 9. Correct is 1 over 8 keys. And another wrong, 7 na lang yung wrong, 7 na lang yung susi. So 56 over 504. And then next, correct, wrong, then wrong. So correct is 1 over 9. And then wrong, so 8 available wrong keys. Then over 8 keys. And then 7 wrong keys divide by 7 keys. So 56 over 504. Then i-total natin itong tatlo. So sagot 168 over 504. Yan yung original answer. In lowest form, that is 1/3. So tama yung sagot natin since ang total is 1. So ang tinatanong dito is the probability na mabubunot ang tamang susi. So eto na yun, 1/3. Okay, ang sabi sa problem class ha, pick 3 keys. So meron daw 3 trials. So tayo ay bubunot ng 3 susi. Consider natin yung event na correct, wrong, wrong. So sa unang bunot pa lang, nabunot na yung correct. So iniisip siguro ng iba dyan na since nabunot na natin yung correct, then hindi na tayo bubunot sa ikalawa at ikatlo. So actually class, required pa rin tayo na bumunot sa ikalawa at ikatlo kasi nga sinabi sa problem 3 trials. So bubunot tayo ng 3 susi. So yung scenario na kapag nabunot ay correct tapos stop na, hindi nabubunot, ibang problem yon, ibang scenario yan, ibang case yon. Solution 2, applicable for dependent event only. So ito yung mga events, 3 wrong, 0 correct, and 2 wrong, 1 correct key. So para sa unang event, so para makabunot tayo ng 3 wrong, so tayo ay bubunot ng 3 out of 8 wrong keys. And then we permute. So yung tatlong susi, ipe-permute natin 3 factorial. Then over, para sa denominator, tayo ay bubunot ng 3 out of 9 total keys. And then permute. Okay, 3 factorial. So sagot, wag natin cancelin yung 3 factorial. So yung original answer is 336 over 504, or in lowest form, 2/3. Next, para naman sa event na 2 wrong and 1 correct, so para makabunot ng 2 wrong keys, so we select 2 out of 8 wrong keys. And then para makabunot ng isang correct key, so we select 1 out of 1 correct key. And then i-permute natin yung tatlong susi, so times 3 factorial. Then over, so tayo ay bubunot ng 3 out of 9 total keys. And then permute 3 factorial. So sagot in original form is 168 over 504, or in simplest form, 1/3. So the total is 1. So tama yung sagot. At ang sagot sa problem na to, the probability of obtaining the correct key is 1/3.